2, 1. Hello everybody, once again. Here's part 2 of today's haul. Here you can see a lot of gum and a lot of cough medicine. Weird combination, but let's go over some of these items here. I got 16 packs of Eclipse gum here. Spearmint flavor. There's 4 in each row. 3 packs of Trident. 1 Lonely of Bits. Let's see, spearmint gum. 1 Tropicana orange juice. A pack of Preem Protein Clear protein drink. I have another 4 pack inside the car, so there was 2 packs. And this little blower here, it says defect, but it turns on and it does blow out air. So I don't know why they marked it defect. And right here we got cough medicine for the whole neighborhood. We got Sotro, cold and cough, honey, 2 more honey, extra strength. We got 1, 2 of those. Let's see, this is severe congestion. We have, how many we got of those? 2, 4, 6, 8 boxes of those. And we got cold, sore throat, and cough. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. 4 there and 2 over here. So this is from this morning's haul from the pharmacy at CVS. And also, here's a little bonus feature that I just got a little while ago. This is real life from today. It's the spin mop over from Ollie's. There wasn't much more there. It was just fruits. They were kind of rotten, and this is about the only thing that I saw I liked it, so I took this item. And here, once again, here's the today's part 2 haul. Let me know, comment below, subscribe, like, and thanks for watching.